Have you ever thought about quitting your day job, walking into your boss and saying, "You're fired"? How would you like to commute to work without ever having to leave your home? Well, not long ago, a 39-year-old entrepreneur from a billionaire family spent $20 million in 3 years finding the best home-based business in America today. He searched 70 different companies, and when he found the only one he thought had potential, he bought the company. And right now, he's looking for people to help him turn this into his next billion-dollar success story. So if you are serious about making money from home without having to leave your home, go grab a pen. You're about to get the name of a website where you can learn all about this unique and rare opportunity. Go to www.joinroger.com now. Get on your computer and go to this site and get the ability to make $500 to $5,000 a month at joinroger.com. Part-time or full-time, your earning potential is limitless at joinroger.com. See you there.